I made a game in BRAINF.
So as 2022 came, I wanted to learn something new, because there are infinite amount of ways how to make a game, and so far I only made it in Unity.
It's me!
Back at dev.
Chill!
So I dived into myself which game engines I can use, but I rather decided to take one step back, and this time I won't use any game engines, since game engines are for noobs.
What the f?
So as I began to explore the possibilities, I decided to take one more step back, since normal programming languages are also for noobs. And this was that point when
Esoteric programming language.
got into the picture. So okay, let's call it apps. So I could choose from many different languages, but since I have already heard of BRAINF, I chose that one. So BRAINF, or as I called after a few minutes of usage, has many advantages over the other normal programming languages, like
Readability.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that?
and another advantage over the normal programming languages is that, while it can take for 4 to 6 months to learn a normal programming language, you can learn BRAINF only in 100 seconds, which is 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Anyway, after watching this video I get the basic idea of how it works, but I didn't feel my knowledge solid enough, even just to write anything. But luckily I found a GitHub page where I could dive into the language, and I also got confirmation that this was the best choice.
BRAINF is probably the craziest language I have ever had the pleasure of coming across.
So after I went through the documentation, I made my first program that prints out random words. But how does it work? BRAINF has a byte array where all the values are 0 at the beginning, and it also has a pointer which points to the first element with the... I don't know what's the name of this symbol. Arrow? And with the other arrow, you can move the pointer to the left or right, and with the plus and minus you can increase or decrease the value where the pointer points. With the dot character you can print out the actual ASCII value of the pointer, so if you want to print out an A letter, then you need to increase the value by 65, which is 65. Wait, to avoid writing this many plus sign, BRAINF introduced the... What the fuck is the name of the square brackets? Which stand for loops. So the loop works in a way that checks the pointed value, and if it's 0 then exits the loop, otherwise starts over. But what's the point of the loop? For example, if you want to print out an A letter, then you don't need to write the plus symbol 65 times, but instead you can write a much complex code that nobody fucking understands and does the same. So it works in a way that we move the pointer to the first byte and then increase the value by 8.
Listen, I don't care how does it work, okay?
Congratulations, you are now an expert of BRAINF. Now the question, with this amount of possibilities, what kind of game can we write? The new Call of Duty?
Enemy spotted.
I don't think so. But maybe a calculator. A calculator which is kinda retarded, because it can only add up 2 values.
12 years later.
Three has a value of 51 and 5 has a value of 53, and their sum is 104, and 104 is equal to age. So I was thinking to make a game where the computer generates a number and you need to guess, and for that I need a random generator, but I have no fucking clue how to.
I don't want to admit how much time later.
Okay, it doesn't work and I have no clue why. Just look at this, I have no fucking idea what's going on. And if I restart, it prints out the same characters. This is not even random. Anyway, to get an idea what should I work on, I found a page that contains some very unique ideas. And after a solid 10 minutes, I finally found a good one.
BF tic-tac-toe.
And to play, I just need to type a number between 1 and 9. So as someone said...
Hippity hoppity, your code is now my property.
And now what? And now what? And now what?
So I figured out that after giving the first input and running the program, you are not able to give any other input. And what you can do is to stop the program, give your next step, and run the program again, and then just repeat these steps.
Checkmate.
Back it. Now you feel the full power of Force. You have arrived at your last mission. You need to write a game in 60 seconds. Or you die.
逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。せっかく祖父のジョセフが。
Many more. Later.
必死こいた気分で教えてくれたというのに。
The challenge is now up on you. Write your idea in the comment section and or I choose it and make a game out of it. Thanks for watching.